Hello there, and welcome to a short video to accompany the September launch of our Save Money brochure. In this edition, we've gone all out on burgers by giving you an overview of our range. Whether it's something quick and easy or a real feature piece on your menu, we've got the burger and bun combination to suit your business needs. My personal favourite is the Bwydlyn 6-ounce steak gourmet burger, so much so that I want you to try it for free, but more on that later on. Before that, let me take you on a whistle-stop burger machine to dining plate tour of our burger production here at Bwydlyn Butchery. So that's it, the journey of a Bwydlyn made 6-ounce steak gourmet burger, from production run to cooking off in the kitchen. But now it's over to you. How would you fancy having 4 free burgers on me? If you do, email your account number to burgers@harlech.co.uk and I'll make sure a pack comes to you on your next delivery. All I ask in return is that you let me know what you think of them. Thanks for watching, and remember to email burgers@harlech.co.uk for your 4 free burgers.